It was in shimmering that I first encountered the vestige. The day began like any other. I woke in my modest but elegant quarters near the library, the morning light filtering through sheer curtains in hues of rose and gold. The linen of my nightrobe whispered against my body as I stretched, a faint smile playing on my lips because I knew a dear friend, a fellow astronomer with a sharp wit and kinder eyes would join me for midday wine. The scent of fresh-baked sweet rolls and steeping tea drifted up from below. I dressed in flowing robes of deep sapphire silk embroidered with silver constellations, the fabric cool and luxurious against my skin. The library hummed with quiet energy that afternoon. Students murmured over scrolls while I demonstrated a spell to summon a harmless projection of the warrior constellation. Then he entered, the vestige, a figure of legend even then, bearing the weight of countless realms and battles. Our eyes met across the stacks. There was a spark recognition, perhaps, of another soul touched by greater forces. We spoke of the stars, of anomalies in the heavens that troubled even the sapiarchs. His presence was magnetic, commanding respect without arrogance. Though my heart leaned toward the beauty of my own kind, I admired his poise, and our conversation flowed like the finest vintage. He sought knowledge on Daedric incursions and celestial alignments. I provided what I could, my social grace ease in what might have been a tense exchange with a wary Altmer librarian. That meeting planted the seed of greater adventures. 20. Life progressed naturally. My reputation grew. Word of my astronomical insights and artistic renderings reached the College of Sapiarchs in Lilnurl. I was accepted into their hallowed academy on the western shores, where ancient spires overlooked azure waters and the air carried the salt of the sea mixed with the crisp tang of scholarly incense. 22.